In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Grok AI. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Grok AI website. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar and hitting enter. This will bring you to the homepage where you can begin the sign-up process. Next, you'll want to look for the Sign Up button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage, often in the top right corner. Clicking this button will take you to the account creation page. This is where the magic begins, as you'll start entering your personal details to create your account. Now enter the required information. This typically includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a password that's strong and unique to keep your account safe. As you fill in these fields, you'll notice the form guiding you through each step. Once you've entered all the necessary information, continue through the registration process by clicking the Next or Continue button. From here, you'll be prompted to review the account setup options. This might include verifying your email address or selecting preferences for your account. It's important to carefully review these options to ensure your account is set up just the way you like it. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-up steps as needed. This could involve confirming your email or setting up two-factor authentication for added security. With that out of the way, you've successfully signed up for Grok AI. You now have access to all the features and tools that Grok AI offers. You can start exploring the platform and see how it can benefit you. And that's how to sign up on Grok AI. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new account.